Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly exciting to talk about, the 2025 Chevy El Camino SS. After years of waiting, this iconic muscle car/pickup hybrid is finally making a comeback, and it's bringing some serious power and style to the table. In this video we'll be breaking down the El Camino SS from every angle: the exterior design, interior features, performance specs, and of course, what it's going to cost you. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 El Camino SS is an absolute head-turner. Chevy's done an incredible job of blending that classic muscle car vibe with a modern, aggressive design. The front grille is bold and wide, giving it a commanding presence on the road, while the sleek body lines make it clear this is no ordinary pickup. It's got a sculpted hood, aggressive LED headlights, and a sporty stance that says performance. The rear end features a rugged, yet refined truck bed, perfect for hauling whatever you need while still looking amazing. It's clear that Chevy has taken the best parts of the original El Camino and made it even better for today's drivers. Now, let's take a look inside. The 2025 El Camino SS doesn't just impress on the outside, the interior is just as impressive. Inside, you'll find a mix of luxury and practicality, with premium materials and modern tech that make it feel like a true performance vehicle. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a customizable digital display that gives you all the info you need in a sleek, modern layout. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, offering excellent support for those long drives or high-speed runs. Plus, the tech features are next level, with a massive touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Chevy's new MyLink system, making it easy to stay connected on the road. And don't forget about the cargo space. The bed is designed to be functional without sacrificing the sleek look. But let's get to what really matters: performance. The 2025 El Camino SS comes with a range of power options, but the standout is the 6.2L V8 engine, producing over 400 horsepower and a staggering 465 lb-ft of torque. This thing is fast, with a 0-60 time that will leave other trucks in the dust. The El Camino SS combines the power of a muscle car with the utility of a pickup. It's equipped with a sophisticated suspension system, ensuring that while you have all that power, you also get a smooth, controlled ride, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling a tough job. Plus, with rear-wheel drive and an optional all-wheel drive system, it's ready to take on any terrain you throw at it. So, how much will this beast cost you? Well, the 2025 Chevy El Camino SS is expected to start around $45,000 for the base model, with higher trims pushing that price closer to $55,000. Considering the power, luxury, and utility you're getting, it's actually a pretty solid deal in the performance truck market. Of course, pricing can vary depending on options and packages, but expect to pay a premium for this incredible hybrid of muscle and utility. So, there you have it. The 2025 Chevy El Camino SS is a game changer. Whether you're looking for a performance vehicle that stands out or a pickup that can still deliver on power and style, this car checks all the boxes. If you're a fan of muscle cars, pickups, or just cool cars in general, this one is definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new El Camino SS, and if you'd consider getting one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.